Think wrinkles are unavoidable as you age? The truth is, your skin's appearance depends largely on what you feed your body, and certain fruits can actually help smooth fine lines, restore elasticity, and give your skin a youthful glow. Before we dive in, hit subscribe and tap the bell icon, because this channel shares real, science-backed ways to fight aging and protect your skin from the inside out. First on the list is pomegranate, packed with polyphenols and ellagic acid that help regenerate skin cells, boost collagen production, and protect against sun damage and free radicals. Drinking fresh pomegranate juice or adding the seeds to your meals daily can make your skin firmer and more radiant. Next is kiwi, rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, and antioxidants that stimulate collagen and elastin production while preventing oxidative stress. Eating kiwi regularly helps reduce sagging, brighten dull skin, and maintain elasticity. Third, papaya contains enzymes like papain that gently exfoliate dead skin cells while promoting new cell growth, reducing fine lines and age spots. Its vitamin A and C content supports collagen formation, keeping your skin smoother and firmer naturally. Fourth, blueberries are tiny but powerful, with antioxidants such as anthocyanins that protect skin cells from free radical damage, slow premature aging, and improve circulation for a plump, healthy glow. Eating a handful daily helps maintain skin integrity and delays wrinkle formation. Finally, avocado is a hydrating superstar loaded with healthy fats, vitamin E, and glutathione, which nourish skin from within, lock in moisture, and maintain elasticity. Including avocado in your diet or applying a mashed avocado mask directly to your face can soften existing wrinkles and prevent new ones. The best results come from combining these fruits in smoothies, salads, or meals, ensuring your skin receives the nutrients it needs to stay firm, hydrated, and youthful. Remember, anti-aging doesn't begin with creams, it starts with what you eat. By feeding your skin the right fruits, you provide the antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats it needs to repair, protect, and rejuvenate naturally. If you're ready to smooth wrinkles and restore your youthful glow from the inside out, hit subscribe, tap the bell, and comment, "I'm glowing naturally," to join the journey. True beauty begins with nourishing your body, and these 5 fruits are your daily anti-aging allies.